Hello and welcome to my channel. MRH here. And if you're familiar with my channel, I have showed you this digital diary and I have taken it apart because there were some ants stored in some drawer of my table, and there was some ant, and I was very afraid they have made something wrong, or they have destroyed it. But no, there is not a significant damage. I have washed it, the whole casing, and with detergent, of course. I have taken apart the electrical parts. Here is the keypad. It's totally made of rubber, and there is no destruction. The ants they haven't eaten this. It is totally okay, totally fine. This keypad sits in here. I'll try to show you like this. Okay, it's totally fine. You can see it's okay. Sorry for the camera shaking the camera. Here is the, it's okay, totally okay. Here is the battery cover, and there is some instruction how you change the battery and how to keep the memory safe. If you change the battery improperly, then the memory will be destroyed. Here is the last part. Here is the buzzer, the speaker, and I have broken the wire, but I will solder it down later. There is the information about manufacturing or something like that. If you want to see it, pause the video. And now the main part. Now the motherboard, main board of the calculator. Here it is. This is the motherboard, and there are some eggs of ants, and I have cleaned it with acetone and some alcohol, rubbing alcohol, of course. And there is not a visible damage here, but there is some damage. Here is a black tape over the display contact, but I'm afraid about this. I'm really afraid about this. Will it work or not? I'm not sure, but I will try. I will try, but I don't see any problem. It's completely fine. Here is the backlight connector. It is fine, and the display is fine. Here is the memory chip. It is 128. 2 will be it is processor, and this is the data connector. This is batteries. 3 batteries there. You can see 1, 2, 3, and there is the reset button here. You can see the reset button, and this is all. Maybe this is the motherboard, the brain of the ancient technology, but still reliable, and I hope it will work. I hope. Just pray for it that it is okay. It will. And there's some tiny little parts. There's screws and the battery holder, the data cable holder, etc., and something tiny little parts. I will make it working. I will, and I promise. I have left 3 batteries inside the diary, but the batteries are completely destroyed. They are not holding any charge. I have checked with my multimeter, and there is no juice left. That will be all. I have something to tell you. I have some vintage mobiles from 2003-4, It is from 2010, 910, E series Nokia. If you want, I can disassemble for you it. It is totally working fine. It's not in great shape, but it's good. It's good. And now I'm gonna show you some interesting phone from Nokia. It's I don't know. I have to do some research about this mobile. Look, the camera lens is shattered, and it is very special phone. If you want to disassemble it or want to see reviewing it, then please comment and let me know. What do you think about that? There is the infrared sensor. Back then, mobiles communicate with each other with the infrared sensor. That will be all. I will try to make some videos about this mobile pretty soon. Thank you for watching. Stay with me, give the thumbs up if you like the video, and please subscribe my channel. It will make me so happy. Thank you for staying with me. I'll see you next time. Bye.